Hey guys, it's James here from James's Planes and Aviation, and we're doing our final video looking at goodies from Singapore Airlines Kris Shop. And in this video, we will be taking a look at the Singapore Airlines Boeing 777-300ER model. So let's take a look at the side. We have some specs and a picture. On the side we have the barcode. Same thing, specs and a picture. And specs and a barcode. On the back we have some specs and a picture, logos, copyrights, whatever. And on the front, Singapore Airlines logo, models, what's called the model size, and the model number, and a picture. So let's crack into the packaging. When I do, first thing I notice is the plane. Nicely sealed up. I can see a stand in there. It's a nice feature. Take it out of the plastic. Start by looking at the stand, which comes in a nice little plastic bag. So we're going to start by snapping that in and pulling it. That's the stand, nice little Singapore Airlines logo. So now we're back to the main dish, and we're going to start by taking off this little sheet of plastic and lifting out the aircraft. For this model, the landing gear is down. Let's pop it on the stand, shall we? And there is the aircraft. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and thank you very much for watching. This is James from James's Planes and Aviation signing out, and we'll see you in the next video.